How to turn off Snapchat shutter sound. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can disable your shutter sound while taking snaps. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. To do that, simply open up your device's settings. Here scroll below to sounds and vibrations. Here scroll below and tap on notification vibration. Make sure that you have toggled on silent, and as you do so, open up your Snapchat application and try and take a snap. And just like so, if you like to disable the shutter sound while taking snaps on Snapchat, all you gotta do is turn on your silent mode for your device. And this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.